Hello everyone and welcome to another Motivational Monday. I am your host, David Lewis. Stand-up comedian Milton Berle had a different way of looking at opportunity. He said, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. That's good advice if you're finding that things aren't necessarily falling into place the way you may have hoped they would have. But one of the most important things you can learn in developing your style of goal setting and time management is that your daily goals depend entirely on your own effort and have nothing to do with outside forces or people. Whether you achieve them will be up to you. Some people feel like the best chances of reaching the success you want really depends on being in the right place at the right time. But I assure you, that is not something you want to depend on if you're serious about achieving your dreams and goals in life. The grass is always greener on the other side for those who are expecting life to provide them with the key to the city of success. But the truth is that those who think that way often find out that the grass is really astroturf. It works all right for a football field, but if you're trying to build a career in retail automotive, or in any business for that matter, you'll soon find that nothing really grows in astroturf. You create opportunities for yourself by making yourself the best you can be at what you do and staying focused on the next step in your process that will take you to the next milestone in your goals. Doing that will open up doors to greater opportunities as you keep pushing on and doing your part to make things happen. I've often said that I know of no other career path that you can get into without the requirement of a lofty education or even a high school diploma and still make a great living and build a lucrative career for you and your family. I stand by that because over 40 years in the retail business, I have seen it happen time after time. For a salesperson, it is the difference between someone who just stands out on the deck waiting for customers to show up and the ones who go inside and spend their time between customers prospecting over the phone and calling previous customers looking for referrals or just reminding them that they're there and ready to help them in any way they can. Sometimes opportunity may seem like it falls off a tree branch for some people, but most of the time it is something you earn by the dedication you have to your craft and the commitment you give to change and growth that will keep you learning how to be the best you can be in this business. So, strive for success, and success will become your best friend.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.